Light winds were forecast for day 5 of the Bacardi Miami Sailing Week. Given the conditions, it looked touch and go to whether racing would take place, with the crews itching to get out onto the blue waters of Biscayne Bay. Miami is one of the most vibrant and colourful cities in the US, where life revolves around the water. Not just on the world-famous Miami beach, but also out in the bay. It's become a target destination for sailors, be it weekend enthusiasts or Olympic-level competitors.
Bacardi Sailing Week has been known for high quality sailing for many years. Back a number of years ago, Tito Bacardi used to come and host the party himself, and it was just a real special sort of high-level sailing with a lot of fun in the evening activities, and that is something that's contagious, and you'll see top sailors from all over the world coming. When you come to Miami for the Bacardi Regatta, you know it's going to be a good regatta and it's going to be a good week of sailing.
As a multiple world champion, Bill was the US Rolex Yachtsman of the Year in 2011. This week, he's aboard the J70 Mexican boat Fajito. Leading the fleet heading into Friday, they struggled with the light conditions and dropped down the leaderboard to 3rd. The Italian team Calvi Network took advantage with a solid performance which took them into the lead. The big show, though, was in the western course, where the M32s were racing. The Danish boat Trifork and American team US1 looked to be having an intense battle at the front of the fleet. Former world match racing champion Taylor Canfield was looking to get one over the experienced Extreme Sailing Series skipper Rasmus Kostner, with the two boats providing plenty of entertainment out in the bay. In the two smaller classes, the Viper 640s and the VX1s, things remained very close at the top. Canadian Brad Boston on Jackpot was over the line in the first race, but he fought back to save the day to sit safely in the leading position. However, the rest of the fleet are close on his heels, so there's no margin of error heading into the final day on Saturday.
Yeah, tomorrow's going to be really hard, but I mean, our feeling always, we've had some good success in the class. Jackpot has been a lot of fun for Lee, Eric, and I, and here we have Nick sailing with us. But our attitude always is just go out and sail as fast as we can and try and make as few mistakes as possible.
Well, Saturday is D-Day for all the crews, where the overall winners for each class will be decided. The forecast looks good with decent winds predicted, so we're in for a cracking final day. Join us then.